Hi friends, Denise Richards here. I'm coming at you today to tell you a little bit about how you can change your life with just two simple words. Don't believe it? I'm here to claim otherwise. I wanted to tell you about the principle called as if. These two words can retrain your brain and change your life if you utilize them. Now, how can two words change your life? Simple. Let me tell you. You need to talk to yourself as if you can do it, as if you're confident, as if you are secure, as if you know that you cannot fail. Retraining your thoughts gives you that internal dialogue that can help you to be successful. I've utilized this as if principle in my life for many years, and it's proven very successful. Sometimes we call it fake it till you make it. But if you're telling yourself negative things, you'll become those negative things. So tell yourself positive things and act as if you already have the job, as if you've already gotten a yes for the answer for the date, as if you're going to make the sale, and you will soon succeed. So good luck treating yourself kindly and use those words as if as much as you need.